Ahoy! Welcome aboard. Today we're going to make my version of a green bean and tomato salad. Now my Nonna used to make this all the time. It's not going to be quite as good because when she made it, it was from fresh green beans, fresh onions, fresh tomatoes, all grown in the rich soil of the Midwest in Kankakee, Illinois. But here's all we're going to need and how we put it together. So I started with a 12-ounce package of fresh green beans. I pre-cooked them at home and cut them up and let them get cold. But then we're going to use 3 tomatoes, half a red onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and a few sprigs of oregano, basil, and thyme. We're going to peel all that. A tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, tablespoon of honey, and an 1/8 cup of white wine vinegar. Now to make our Italian dressing that we're going to use on this, we're going to start with our garlic cloves. We'll peel our herbs. So we'll make our Italian dressing here. And the honey and mustard, it kind of helps thicken it a little bit and hold it together. I guess it helps if I open the mustard before I try using it. See, that makes a nice creamy Italian dressing. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Pour that in our bowl. Add our green beans. Slice our onion. Nice thin slices. We've got everything sliced up. Now we'll mix it together. We'll let this sit in the refrigerator for about an hour. Soak up all of the nice juices and flavors and blend everything. And you've got an excellent side dish or a vegetable on a hot day for a great dinner. And there we have it, guys. Well, thanks for watching. And until next time, happy and safe boating to you, your family, and friends.